Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Extended Cab LT, stock number 18C427A. You've got factory fog lights and heavy-duty tow hooks up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here that is wrapped in an 18-inch Kelly Edge tire. You've got running boards along the sides. There is a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 in the front row, and you've also got seating for 3 in the second row. Got this great Z71 off-road bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps on the back bumper. You do have a trailer hitch. There is a backup camera here inside of the truck that you have a spray and bed liner. That's in great shape. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. You have all-weather floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, there's an integrated trailer brake control and a 4x4 turn dial control. And as we take a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming over to the center up to the rear view mirror, you can see this is equipped with OnStar. And then coming down further, as you can see, there is a navigation system here. You do have capabilities for Pandora radio. There is a CD player and AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got buttons here for heated front row seating. There is a button here for traction control as well as hill descent control. And if you'll give me just a moment. All right, you have got a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 5.3-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.